Alright guys, I'm back again. I just posted a video on Red Crucible 2 fail, and apparently someone actually watched the full thing of it, and where I said if they want to see any other games like Doodle Hangman or Shotgun Funfun, the rest are kind of self-explanatory. I mainly meant they're really all kind of easier to play. Especially Doodle Hangman's pretty easy, you'll get the hang of it. But he also said he does want to see me play. He said he wants me. I can't speak. Again, I'm sick. He said he wants to see me play Shotgun Fun Fun, and it's a simple game, but it's really fun. It'll get you hooked for a little bit, then you'll get really bored of it. Later on, you'll be bored, get hooked back onto it. So yeah. Hopefully it's not really laggy, like Red Crucible 2. It's laggy, but hopefully it doesn't make me. Holy sh! I can pick something. Holy shit! Yeah! See, they're demons, and they'll randomly spawn, and they'll fall off ledges, and you have to just take your shotgun, run around, try and get as much. So you have 100 hearts up there. It counts your time, counts how many kills you get before you die. And you want to, and it adds up all the points at the end. You want to get high scores. The goal really is to kill demons as fast as humanly possible. Without being a total douche and like cheating the game. How? Alright, if you stand still enough long enough, don't try and cheat like that, you'll just combust. Like, literally combust, you'll go up in the flames. See, this down arrows? If you fall down, it brings you down to where they land. Same thing with the blue ones. Can't sit on ladders and be gay. You download all these from the Mac App Store. The App Store comes with every computer. You don't need to download anything to get to the App Store. Jesus Christ. You never have to reload, you just copy it. Notice me! As you can see, I don't really see from behind. If it's lagging a lot, just because I'm recording at the same time. It's really fun, it'll go much faster. The demons really faster. Yeah, I'm on a roll. You don't get any fall, but usually when you fall into a pit of monsters, so it doesn't really help. See, this is what I mean, like being a total butthead and glitching. It obviously moves faster than the real thing. You can just sit there for a while, but eventually you'll combust, so if you do want to do that, you gotta move around a little bit. I'm running in. I wonder why. Just to show you how. So you just like kind of die. You can toggle blood or not. For how you can't. See, time 71 seconds. Aggression 1.32 demons every 2 seconds. That's good. I think 1.32 demons every 2 seconds. I beat my record then on the last laptop I had, which was 1.10 demons every 2 seconds. So let's upload your score down. My high score? No, I don't. See, it's because of course I beat my high scores. This is my high. See, so. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, I'm checking my time. I'm like, what? I thought I wanted to. Alright, you know, you can just play again every time. Escape, quit, go to local, or online high score. So, yeah, that's the end of this video. Hopefully it worked out well. And, yeah, everything else in my background is pretty much self-explanatory. Again, polar bears is still epic. So, if you oppose, leave and never watch one of my videos again. I'm kidding. If you oppose, watch every one of my videos infinite times, just so more people would watch them. So, yeah. See you later! I'm so